Hey everyone, and welcome back to my DIY channel. So I was scrolling on TikTok's For You page and I came across this video where cardboard was being cut out with a Glowforge, and I don't have a Glowforge, but ever since I saw that video, I've been wondering if it was possible to create it with a Cricut. So come along with me in today's video while we test this viral TikTok DIY. So we're gonna start over in Cricut Design Space, and the most important thing is picking out a font that is going to be thick enough for this project. These skinny fonts that we're used to cutting out with our vinyl and our wedding signs are definitely not going to work with this project, so definitely stick with a thicker font. The one I'm using is linked down in the video description. Then you're going to want to position that on the mat before your cut, and leaving about an inch around all of the sides. That is so we can leave room for the tape on the mat. So I'm going to browse my materials and search for the balsa 3/32. This is what I'm going to be cutting my cardboard on, but yours might be thinner or thicker, so adjust as needed. So before I make my cut, I am going to move the star wheels all the way to the right, and I'm also going to load the knife blade and clamp beam. Now use a strong grip mat if you have one, and that will fit your lettering. I'm just going to use a standard 24-inch mat for this and just tape it up really well. So now we are ready to cut our cardboard with our Cricut Maker. I'm going to go ahead and load that into the machine and let you guys see what the first pass looks like in real time, so you can see it is a clean cut, nothing is getting bunched up, and so you can have a really good idea how long each pass is going to take. So there's going to be a total of 7 passes. I will show you the first one in normal speed. Unfortunately, I didn't record all 7 passes just because it is about 10 minutes of recording and my camera battery was about to die, but hopefully you'll get a really good idea with this first pass. Now that my Cricut is done cutting, I am moving over to my painting table, and I'm going to remove any masking tape that just happened to fall over the lettering. lettering. And to paint this, I am going to leave the cardboard on my Cricut mat and do a couple of thin coats of black paint on top. And if the weather is nice where you are, I would consider removing the lettering from the cutout cardboard and spray painting those, just so you can make sure to get the sides really well. And even this cardboard that I'm using has white on the front of it, so this is actually the back of the box that you're looking at, and you can somewhat see the white on the bottom of the lettering. So I think spray painting would probably be the best way to go. It was just really cold whenever I filmed this. Once that is completely dry, I am going to remove the tape so I can flip this over and get the lettering off. So if you've made it this far, I do have a little secret to confess. Whenever I was making this project, I actually used the balsa 16th, and I told you guys to use the 32nd because it is just such a cleaner cut. Now this wasn't too bad, it was just in some areas in the back I had to go over it with a knife, and obviously that isn't ideal, and if you can save yourself some time, you might as well with a super clean cut with the 32nd. So the TikTok I saw of the cardboard cutout, she used just sticky dots on the back of the lettering. I don't have sticky dots at hand, so I am just using some of this double-sided heavy-duty tape that I have and cutting that up into little squares and strips to fit on the back of the lettering. Thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. Let me know if you have any questions about this cardboard cutout lettering down below, and also let me know your thoughts about it. I will see you guys again soon.